So if you're wondering if you can purchase a gift card with a credit card, I'm here to let you know that you can do it, but there is a smart way to do it and then a non-smart way, like a trap. Like it's a smart move to make and it's also a trap. So let me tell you guys how to do it the correct way, and let me tell you how I have done it in the past, and also what stores I have shopped at to give gift cards. This is your first time watching my video, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. Now, let me start off by saying that when I purchased things for Christmas, I bought gift cards. I made sure that I purchased different gift cards for different people. So I had gift cards and I purchased mine on Amazon. Now the reason that I purchased them on Amazon is because I wanted to make sure that I had the 0% APR for 12 months. And if you can see right here, I took a screenshot. I messed up on the video. I had to re-record it because my address was on it. But I put an example. I seen like a $40 Starbucks. It was 10 gift cards in a pack, four of them basically. And I got 7 of them. And you see it's $280 for all of these different gift cards. But look, they said just pay $23.33 per month because I have that Prime Visa credit card. So I definitely love to use my Amazon credit card to purchase gift cards. And I also love this trick too for those people that like to travel. If you don't have a 0% APR credit card, but you still want to like space out the money that you're going to pay on your trip, you can get credit cards on here. Let me show you a few of them that you can get. So you can get the Aeropostale credit card on here. You can see they got the Roblox credit card. Not credit card. Let me stop saying it. Gift cards. So Roblox, also Aeropostale. Also, you can see that they have a one with the restaurants on there. You can buy multiple ones, and just make sure that if you try to use your Amazon credit card, you're trying to get the 12 months. Make sure I think it's over $299 or $250. And if you buy something over $50, then you can have a 6 months of 0% APR credit card. But I also like this one for travel because look, you guys, look what else you can get on here for people that like to travel. You can get an Airbnb gift card. Can you see that? And then also gas cards there, Southwest. You can catch a flight. They got DoorDash on here. So this can be a great option for you all if you like to travel and you just want to you want to have 0% APR credit cards and you want to just slowly but surely pay it off. This can be great for you. So yes, you can definitely purchase different things with these gift cards. And they even have the hotels.com, which is really good. So definitely check that out for sure because you can do 0% APR. Now, another time that I bought gift cards is I had to purchase a gift card for somebody next door, and I purchased it at Walgreens because it was their birthday. I got the Roblox one, and I purchased it at Walgreens. I used my Walgreens credit card because, you get extra rewards for using your Walgreens credit card. So I used my Walgreens credit card, and I actually got the gift card from Walgreens. So Walgreens have a lot of different gift cards. So you definitely can go there. But again, don't try to hold a balance. I paid that balance off. I just wanted to make sure I used that for the rewards. I didn't have a 0% APR credit card that I wanted to use at the time. I wanted to be able to use that just for the rewards too. Actually, I did have one, but I wanted the rewards. So I made sure I used that card. But I made sure I paid that statement balance by the due date because that can be a trap. If you buy any of these gift cards and you're holding a balance on your credit card, that's not smart. That's not smart at all. But if you're going to make sure that you do like I told you how I did with my Amazon, and also when I want to tell you about another credit card, then this can actually work for you. So the next one I want to talk to you guys about is I was shopping at Publix. So I'm a couponer, and I like to get my certain groceries there because I get a lot of discounts. A lot of stuff I end up just getting free, or I make money from just getting it, right? So they had a promotion. If you guys shop at Publix, you will know about it, where if you purchase $50 worth of groceries, they'll give you $10 off your groceries if you pair it with a gas credit card. So I'm buying like 7 gas credit cards, and I use my Apple Wallet, so my Apple Card, to pay for those different gift cards. So that is really nice. You guys can use your Apple Card, and I just make sure I just did my Apple Pay. So you guys can definitely purchase those gift cards. I made sure I paid my statement balance though, so I never got charged interest. But that's an option. So you guys can definitely buy a gift card at Publix. And another time too, which I thought was really nice, if you guys have that Lowe's credit card, it's very easy to get that credit card. I have the Lowe's credit card. You guys can go to Lowe's. You know, if you spend more than $300, they have a 6 months of no interest. So if you guys were to go to Lowe's, you guys can get that credit card. You can, I mean, you can go and get gift cards from them. I did this already too. And what you want to do is just make sure you spend more than $300 and tell them you want the 6 months of no interest. But to me, I'd rather get the Amazon way. I just wanted to test it. I just wanted to see if it was gonna work, but it worked. Because I'm like, this would be really good because I want the no interest part of it. You know, I like that part of it. So that is a great option. So you guys can definitely go to Lowe's, get more than $300. That way you don't pay any interest and you don't have to technically pay it off. You can just pay the minimum balance and I'll say about a fifth month, just pay it all the way off. But I like that you don't have to pay the full thing. You guys will be good. So that's an option. Now, again, you guys can really be trapped if you guys hold a balance on these different credit cards. When you guys purchase these gift cards, another trap I want you guys to know about, and I'm like, I just rather not do it. I'll just cash out you. Is some people use their credit card to buy like visas. They try to buy like Visa gift cards and things like that. And I don't like that they charge you like a 4.95 fee. Like I don't want to pay any fees for any of the gift cards. So like if I look on here for like a gift card, they have one like they have a $50 or even under there too. You see it's $100 gift card. But look, they're gonna charge you a $5.95 fee, and I don't want to pay that fee. But I guess if you guys needed that $100, or they even have a $200 one on here for $6.95. If you guys needed that $200 and you needed to purchase something or use that money to buy something that you can't use your credit card with, I guess it will be okay. But at the same time, it's just fees, and I don't want you guys to pay fees. I feel like that's going to be a trap, especially if you're paying a fee for that, plus you holding a balance on whatever credit card you're using. I just don't think it's a good idea, you guys. But again, I just want to talk to you guys about it because a lot of people had questions about whether or not you can actually use your credit card to buy gift cards, because you definitely can do that, but you just want to make sure that you're paying it all the way off. So you can see too, this one, another $200 one, and these are on Amazon. So you definitely can technically get these credit cards and do the 6 months, or maybe even do the full year. Just make sure it's more than $299 or $250 or $299. You can space it out. And again, that's not bad too when you think about it. You're paying $23.33 per month for 12 months. That's not bad at all, especially if you guys want to take like a little quick trip. Go ahead and get you one of them hotels.com credit cards, get you an Airbnb credit card and a gift card. Keep saying credit cards. Get the Airbnb or the hotels.com, and that can help you all out, especially if you want to do your trip. And you can put that money on something else, especially if you guys are holding a balance on another credit card, but you're still trying to take a trip. Pay off that credit card. Use that money to pay off that credit card and put this on your Amazon credit card. And you guys can pre-qualify for the Amazon credit card too. They'll let you know whether or not they're going to give it to you. So definitely see if you can pre-qualify for it. But I hope that this answered your questions. Test it out. Walmart, they have a lot of different credit cards up there. If you guys want to give out gifts, maybe you want to get out gifts, but you want to make sure that they're not just using these credit cards at all these random places. You want them to use it where you want them to use it at, especially with like your kids. Then I do suggest you go like to Walmart, or I like Amazon because I'm my Amazon credit card and it's 0% for 12 months. I definitely like that, but don't forget your utilization could be factored in. But just make sure you have other credit cards that you're not using, and your credit score is going to be temporarily down, but you can always bring it back up by just paying it off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys don't get trapped. Bye bye.